What's up, fellas? I just got a quickie for you here. If you have never tried these yellow tinted glasses in the shop before, man, you don't know what you're missing. Now, of course, the camera is masking the true effect of these things, but in person, what these do is they're basically made for low light situations, and from what I've read, they screen out blue light and they actually make the surroundings look brighter. I haven't read into it too much, but I don't know if these actually make certain wavelengths visible that are not visible to the naked eye. I'm not sure how it brightens up the area, but in person, these things like totally brighten this place up. It's insane how well these work. Now, you might not look too cool in them, but at least you can see what you're doing when you're not looking cool. They definitely are worth trying out. I got these Harbor Freight for $2, and I don't know why I waited this long to do it. They brighten this shop up so much, and I really wish the camera wouldn't mask it. It starts to show it, and then it does something. It's doing something. It's screening that out. But definitely give these a try if you've never tried them before. They are, I can't explain how much brighter they make it look in here because my camera just isn't showing you, but $2, man, Harbor Freight, you definitely got to try them out. I love these things.